In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a product price in WooCommerce fast and easy. We'll walk you through the steps to get your product prices set up in no time, ensuring you have the ability to manage your online store efficiently. Whether you're just starting out or simply want to make sure you understand the process, we've got you covered. First and foremost, you'll want to start by going to your WordPress dashboard. Make sure you're already logged into WordPress to access all its functionalities. This is the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your WooCommerce store, so being comfortable navigating it is key. Once you're in the dashboard, the next step is to locate the Products option on the left side menu and click on it. This section is where all your product management takes place, allowing you to add new products, update existing ones, and manage any inventory you might have. After you've clicked on Products, you'll be taken to a page where you'll see a list of existing products, if any. To set the price for a new product, you'll need to click on the Add New Product button. This will take you to a new page where you can enter details about your new product, including its name, description, and of course, its price. Now that you're on the product setup page, scroll down a bit until you see the pricing options. Here, you'll first notice the option to set a regular price. Click on the field to enter the regular price of your product. This is typically the standard price you want your product to be listed at, so make sure to consider any factors that might influence your pricing, such as production costs, competition, and desired profit margins. There's also an option to set a sale price. This feature is useful if you want to offer discounts or special promotions. If you'd like to add a sale price, click on the corresponding field and enter the sale price you wish to offer. Setting a sale price can attract more customers and increase sales, especially during special events like holidays or clearance sales. So it's a good option to have in your arsenal. Once you've entered your desired prices, the final step is to save your changes. You can do this by clicking the Save button. Saving ensures that your prices are updated and visible to customers when they visit your store. And there you have it. That's all it takes to set a product price in WooCommerce quickly and easily. By leveraging these features, you can efficiently manage your online store pricing and maintain control over your sales strategy. Don't forget to keep your prices updated and in line with market trends to stay competitive. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.